Okay, so this is a very, very brief, the briefest of brief introductions. Before we do anything even to do with ServiceNow, this is a little bit of a familiarization with information technology concepts. So ServiceNow, okay, this is the thing it's all about. But the name ServiceNow is the name of the company based in the States, software company. Does all sort of tech digital stuff. But again, I want to take a step back before we talk specifically about this, and go just a little bit into the concepts you need to know about. Cloud. This is basically eliminating anything physical. So, guy, it seems like a lifetime ago now, but like CDs, oof, they store information on them. You put them in your computer and you get the information off them. In the same way, like USB sticks, CDs, VHS, you know, floppy disks. These are all things that they were physical and they stored information on them. Cloud is basically saying, out with the old, in with the new. The information is now going to not physically exist anywhere, but it exists on servers, right? So no physical things are needed, but the data is still stored. That's basically cloud. So nothing physical. Information technologies. This is again, it's like it's endless. It's a huge topic area, but basically it's how things are done, how businesses talk to each other within the business, between businesses, how different departments get things, done logistically. When is it going to be done? Who's in charge of doing it? How fast? Are we doing it by fax, by phone, by pigeon, by smoke signal? That's all this. It's a very big thing. Service product. A distinction that it would be useful to make is a product is a physical, tangible thing. You pay for something and you get something there. A service is, we'll do this for you for the price. You don't get anything physical at the end of it, but we do something for you. For instance, a product, an apple. I buy an apple. That's the product. It's we're going to sell you this. It's a green juicy apple. You pay me, you get the apple. Beautiful. A service would be, oh, okay, you're you have no room to store your apples at home. So I'll store your apples for you. You want to buy 100 apples, I'll store them for you. You pay me to store the apples. You don't get anything, but it's something I do for you. In the same way, like a massage would be a service, I don't know, counselling is a service, just anything where you don't get anything tangible at the end of it. And the product is, I'm going to buy a chair, a mug, a guitar, a new computer. So that's that distinction there. And application in terms of software is something specific to help the user do a function. It's that simple. It sounds super fancy and whatever, but it's not. It's like it's literally a tailor-made bit of software that allows a user to complete a function. For example, a guitar tuner on a phone. That sole purpose is to do that thing. Excuse me. In the same way you have, photo editing software or video editing software. That's to do that. Or like, it's anything you can download in the App Store on your phones, right? That's it. Its purpose is to do something specific. That's literally all it is. Clients, customers, providers. Providers are the ones at the top. They make these, interesting things. They provide the software tools, to do the job, and then they often outsource this stuff to slightly smaller companies or different players in the game. For instance, DXC Technology, Capgemini, IBM, a bunch of other places. They all use ServiceNow. So in that case, ServiceNow will be the provider. They're providing the service and the tools, and those smaller, not smaller, but like third parties use it. and then from there you have clients and customers. So DXC Technology would provide to clients and customers, but ServiceNow is the provider of that main service thing. So cloud, IT, service product, ServiceNow application, clients, customers, providers. I know it's a bit of a whistle-stop tour, but that's just kind of the base intro before anything specific with ServiceNow we go into. So thanks, and see you very soon.